Hello Nursery and Reception. So it's day 3 of our 30 days wild. So we did walking on the grass, we did a sketch from nature, and today we're going to listen for birds. Okay, I can actually hear some birds tweeting from my window. So we are going to listen. Jamie, what are we listening for?
Birds.
Birds. Okay, we have to be really quiet then. I can hear some tweeting sounds.
I can hear the ice cream man.
Can you? I can as well. I can hear tweeting noises though. Can't see any birds. There's one. There's a bird. Jamie, there's a bird on that roof. Tweet, tweet. Tweet, tweet. There's so many noises.
Bird! I can't believe I just spotted a bird!
So why don't you come outside, everyone, and see if you can spot any birds outside and listen for them tweeting as well. I'll see you all again tomorrow for another wild adventure. Bye.